Board of Trustees of Franco British International University FBIU Kaduna has approved the appointment of Mr. Agwaza Bimdu as the pioneer registrar of the new university. Before his appointment, Mr. Bimdu served at Maryam Abacha American University of Niger in various capacities. He was Deputy Registrar, Special Assistant to the President Founder, MAAUN Director Strategy and Planning, President's Office and Academic Secretary of the University. The President, MAAUN Group of Universities, Professor Adamu Abubakar Gwarzo, announced the appointment while presenting the appointment letter to Mr. Bimdu on Tuesday in Kano. On behalf of the Board of Trustees of Franco British International University and Maryam Abacha American University Conglomerate, I wish to present to you this letter of appointment as the pioneer registrar of the university, he said. While wishing the appointee a successful tenure, Professor Gwarzo charged him to use his vast experience to make the university a center for academic excellence. I am confident that you will deliver in view of your international experience and intellectual capacity. He prayed to Almighty Allah to guide and give Mr. Bimdu the wisdom and strength to discharge his duties effectively. Responding, Mr. Bimdu thanked the Board of Trustees for finding him worthy for the appointment and pledged to justify the confidence reposed in him. Mr. Bimdu holds a Bachelor of Arts degree BA English Linguistics at the University of Maiduguri in 2002. He later obtained his Master of Science degree, MSc Public Administration at the Maryam Abacha American University of Niger, Maradi in 2018. He is currently undergoing his PhD program at the Maryam Abacha American University of Niger, Maradi.